Okay, back to the ball game. Score 31-12. Bola rito ay ng ating Lasal Green Hills. Ojeda, may tangan ng bola. Pass to Ochoa. Setting on the screen by Mangahas. Ochoa. Pass to Ojeda. Stop and pump. Short. That's a young ball. Rito ng Xavier. Cheng. Nasa Cheng. To you. Bigay kay Depano. You. To Cheng. Pass to Evo. You. Tumira. And there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 34, Evo Yu. Basket. Good. Jaco to you. Oy, up and under. Nakalusot. See you. Ojeda. May tanga na bola. Ojeda binigay. Bad pass. Hindi nakakonvert doon si Mangahas. Tisha scored 31-15. 16-point lead para sa Lasal Green Hills. Cheng. Pass to Gray. To you. Jump shot. Too strong. Rebound by Ochoa. Pass to Ojeda. Ojeda. Umatake. In and out. Rebound. Mangahas. Bang! Nice shot there para kay Mangahas. Ay na. You gustong makabawi. Pass to Gray. Pass to Cheng. 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 Ay na. Double team. Oh, bad pass. Bola rito ng Lasal Green Hills. Ojeda. Spin. Pass to Mangahas. Mangahas tumira. No good. Rebound. Pencan. Pass to Mangahas to Ojeda. Ojeda na bitawan. And that's a traveling violation para kay Ojeda. 33-15 in favor of Lasal pa rin. Depano, pass to Gray. Back to Riley. To Gray. To Jaco. Yang. It's a foul. Number 11. Shooting in the line. Oy. Jersey number 2. Jaco Yang. First shot is good para kay Jaco. Second shot para kay Jaco. Basket. 17-33. In favor pa rin sa mga naka-green shirt. Ojeda. Ojeda attacking the basket. Binali sa ere. Pasok yan. Para kay Ojeda. 35-17. Depano. Pass to Gray. Back to Depano. Pass to you. Andre. Floater and one. Basket count plus a foul by jersey number 18. DeAndre Yu. $35-19. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ng Lasal. Ojeda with the ball. Ojeda. Pass to Penkian. Binigay sa corner. Gets the three. Short. Rebound by Mangas. Mangas. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. And out of bounds. Time out. Xavier. Tignan naman natin ang hadal ng Lasal. Time remaining 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Back to the ball game. Depano. Hand off to Gray. Gray. Tumira sa tres. Yes sir. Para sa tres. By Depano Riley. Ayun na si Ojeda. Ojeda. Alvior. Pass to Penkian. Attacking the basket. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Rebound by you. Pass to DeAndre. DeAndre. Atake. Kick out to Gray. Gray. Looking for his teammate. Back to DeAndre. This is a Gray. Gray for two. No good. Rebound by Ojeda. Ojeda. Pass to Marty. Oh, sorry, that's Demarukot. To Ojeda. Ojeda. He gets a shot and there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 8, Ojeda. Her shot no good. Second shot para kay Ojeda. Basket. 36. 2:21 lang daw po. Jaco, and that's a 28-second shot clock violation. Cruz. Pass to Pencan. Pencan umatake. Basket. 38-21. Pass to Jaco. Yang to Jerwin. Stefano, what a pass to Brody. And there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 8, Brody Kyoto.
Welcome to Xavier's Senior Basketball. We would like to extend a heartfelt thanks to the following sponsors. For our Navy-wide sponsors,
Second shot para kay Brody, no good. Rebound by Mangahas.
PGA Cards and Car Access.
Mangahas to Loki.
PC Express.
Cruz.
Amber.
Of your. Back to Pencan. Pencan using their height advantage. Nakalusot si Pencan.
Universal Rotation Corporation.
40-21.
Acer. East Ocean.
Oh, steal. Pencan. And there's a foul. Number 77. That is Titus Tang.
Potato Corner. Emerald Pipes. Panapisco. United Colors of Mountain. And Levi's. Thank you once again to all our sponsors for their unwavering support.
Ay, sir. Basket by Pencan. The ball game. Jaco, bounce pass to you. Evo, and there's a foul. Two for two para sa kanyang free throw kay Pencan. Sige ba? You on the free throw area. Wala. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Let's go, Noah. Ayun na. Loki. Binigay sa corner. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Jaco. Yang. Out that pass. Titus. Binigay kay Jerwin. Jerwin with the fake. Up and under. No good. Rebound by Jaco. Yang. Take a shot. No good. Rebound by Loki. Cruz. Outlet pass. Steal by Jaco. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Lasal. Bounce pass to Loki. Cruz. Pass to Amazar. Jump shot. Yes, sir. By Alviar, rather. 44-21. Titus. Tang gets the layup plus a foul and one by Titus Tang. On the free throw area, jersey number 77, Titus Tang.
cell phones, or wallets unattended. Xavier School will not be held liable for any loss of these items. We appreciate your understanding and cooperation.
Basket is good. For 3-point play. Para kay Titus Tang. Ayun na. So, Zamora pass to Tulfo. To Cruz. Setting on the play. Cruz attacking the basket. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Jerwin. Jerwin. Punta sa kalba. Up and under. Uy, no good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Noah Zamora and out of bounds.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Bola dito ng Lasal. Pass to. Oy! And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 44-24. In favor pa rin sa Lasal Green Hills. Alright, dito tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng laro, ang fourth and final quarter, lamang ng 20. Ang Lasal Green Hills. Babalik tayo para sa fourth quarter. This is the Xavier's Cup 2024-5 season. At tayo magsisimula na para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Makakahabol kaya dito ang Xavier or tuluyan ng dodominahin ng Lasal ang laro. Bola rito ng Lasal. Abior looking for teammate pass to Cruz. Tulfo. Pass to Albior. Noah Zamora top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound by Jerwin. Floater. Wala. Rebound. Oy, wala pa rin. And shoutout po kay Ma'am Gina Ong and kay Sir Erwin Tan na napaka-supportive parents din para sa Xavier. Ayan na, steal by Tepano. Out that pass to Jerwin. Jerwin using their body and gets the foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 7, Jerwin Tan. No good. Second shot para kay Jerwin, basket. 40. Oy, stepping on the line. Bad move para kay Noah Zamora there. Kitang-kita yun ng ating referee. Brody to Titus for 3. No good. Beat up. Rebound by Asprek. Pass to Cruz. Cruz, binigay. Asprek using the board. Basket yan para kay Asprek. 46-25. Lamang pa rin ang Lasal Green Hills. Pinasa corner. Titus Tang. No good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Pass to Cruz. Outlet pass again to Tulfo naman. Basket dyan para kay Tulfo. (48-25). Biggest lead of the game. Depano setting on the screen. Miscommunication. Depano. Pass to Evo. You to Depano from the corner. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Cruz, binigay. Tulfo, running shot. Using the board. And one. By Tulfo. Pasok ba yan? Pasok na po yan. Counted. Time out dito ang Xavier. Time remaining 2 minutes, 7 minutes and 24 seconds.
Exactly 9:15 a.m. we're going to start the second game. Ian Steele versus Zane Roberts. Thank you.
And shoutout din po kala Sir Jasper Yang and Ma'am Ivy Yang from Xavier. Ay, coach. May live na, may live pa. Dahil magalang rin po siya, no? Overlap din kayo, hinawa. Ay, boss.
Akin. May ano ba yan? May...
Yep. Coach, ano mo pala sila Kenneth? Teammate mo yan. Tama yan. Kita ko sa kanya. Nakita ko sa ano eh.
Nagawad bong ka ba?
Hindi. Kabarangay, kabilangan lang, barangay. No good para kay Yang. Jaco.
Hey! Kaya kayo magpintuhan.
Rebound. Asprek. Kick out. To see. That's a foul. 3 seconds violation daw po. You. Finger's teammate. Binigay to Jaco. Back to you. Pass to Gray. Kick out to Gray. Gray. Binigay. 1 second. Tira. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng LaSalle Green Hills. See, out of bounds. Steal ng Xavier. DeAndre Yu. Wala. Ay na si Asprek. Oh, what a move by Asprek. 52-25. 27-point lead para sa LaSalle Green Hills. Bata. You. Running shot. Basket para you. DeAndre Yu gets the shot. Noah Zamora. May tangan na bola. Noah binigay. Oy, out of bounds. Timeout.
Hey, kay Thomas. May choice pa ako. Hindi naman tayo lalabas. Wala ko ibang team. Ngayon ka lang may kalaban na mas malaki ka. Ayaw magdaanan.
Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Xavier. You. Pass to Jaco. Uy, bad pass. Steal by Tulfo. Tulfo naka-recover. Ay na, De Marukot. Uy, steal by DeAndre. You.
Dito ka, Aidan. Aidan, dito ka. Dagot yung kaway.
Pass to Jaco. Pass to DeAndre. Pass to Gray. Gray. Oy, munti ka na magawan. DeAndre for 3. Yes, para sa 3. Hi DeAndre, you. 52 to 30. Ayun na, bad pass. Oh, sorry, natapigan. Some more. Uy, bad pass. Last touch. Xavier School basketball. DeAndre Yu. Pass to Jaco. Yang. Pass to Brody. Brody with a spin using the glass. No good. Rebound by Cheng. Pass to Dipano. To Jaco. Nice fake. Binale. Ooh. Good defense by Noah Zamora. Oh, there's a foul. Pushing foul.
Post!
29 lang daw po. 2 points lang daw po yung kanina. Dipano. Pass to DeAndre. You to Jaco. Pump fake. Hand off to DeAndre. You attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Right away. Pass to C. Setting on the screen. C. Up and under. Uy, wala. Rebound by Asprek. Asprek, tumira. Wala. Rebound by Noah Zamora. Attacking the basket. And there's a foul. Rep. And the free throw area, jersey number 16. That's Noah Zamora. First shot is good. By Noah Zamora. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. Second shot para kay Noah Zamora. Hey, in and out. Rebound by Asprek. Pass to Di Marukot. Bang! Basket pan para kay Di Marukot. 55 to 29. In favor of LaSalle Green Hills. DeAndre Yu. Pass to Cheng. Back to Yu. Yu with a fake. Matake. Basket para kay DeAndre Yu. 31-55. Noah Zamora. Pass to C. Pass to DeMaruco for 3. No good. Hey. Out of bounds.
Cross.
Time remaining, last 28 seconds. Pass to C. Noah Zamora for 3. Yes! Para sa Tres. Ay, Noah Zamora. Grabe na. Kailang putas ka dito, bro. Ayan na. Jacob babawi sa Tres. And that's the end of the game. What a nice game from both teams. A nice game para sa Xavier School. And congratulations to our LaSalle Green Hills. Our final score, 58-81. Panalo po ang ating LaSalle Green Hills. And a nice game para sa Xavier. Maraming pong salamat po sa inyong panonood. And God bless everyone. Hanggang sa muli.